Hey everybody, it's Neil. If you're wondering why I'm on the floor, it's because I want to show you this. I'm going to have to be putting it together here in a second. But what this is going to be is this is going to be a bar cart of sorts. So you guys can watch me put it together. It's by Maiproo or something, I don't know. But let's give it a try and put it together. You can watch me. Okay, I got it done. Check it out. This is what it is. It rolls around, and I can put my bar stuff on here, and I got places for bottles and stuff. It's super sturdy, and I got the little locking wheels. I put my little locking ones on the front because I think I'm gonna back it into somewhere, and then I can lock it up in place. So you can put those locking ones wherever, but nice. I like it. Thumbs up.